3.5mm headphone jack is here. MQA streaming shows that LG is ahead of the wireless curve. Quad DAC takes sound quality to new, tweakable heights. We usually bundle the music section in with movies and gaming, but given the V30's knack for audio, it's best to talk in depth about it. Listening to music is fun on just about any phone, but LG's V30 takes it to a new level of enjoyment. It gets not one thunderous round of applause, but two for including the 3.5mm headphone jack and supplementing it with an awesome quad DAC, digital to analog converter, and clever software to squeeze more use out of it. The V30 can intelligently decipher between your average set of headphones and some high-quality cans to deliver the right sound to you. New to the V30 is the ability to tweak the sound profile delivered by the quad DAC, even individually tweaking the decibel level of each ear speaker when switched on. It's such a treat. And of course, the audio benefits extend into your time with movies and games. If wired headphones aren't your thing, you monster, the V30 is also one of the first smartphones, if not the very first globally available, to support the MQA wireless audio codec. This CD quality format is said to be compressed in a rather small file size, which goes against the idea that high-fidelity tunes have to take up a lot of space. If you stream tunes through Tidal, the V30 will properly unfold the MQA file to deliver studio-quality sound. Of course, you'll need the best headphones available to properly enjoy it. LG's melding of innovation on both the wired and wireless fronts shows that you can honor the past while plowing ahead. Compared to Apple's headphone jack-less iPhone 8 and Google Pixel 2, this is courage. Additionally, once Android Oreo arrives, we'll likely see the V30 supporting the fleet of high-quality audio codecs, like aptX HD, LDAC and more.